Andrea LaFontaine here with Joe Eastern Realty. I am standing outside of 1604 West High Street in Haddon Heights. Guys, have you ever seen Doctor Who? You know how his TARDIS was bigger on the inside and it was extremely deceiving, right? This house is the same thing. Let me show you. So you come in the front door and you've got your stairway that takes you to your bedrooms upstairs, your living room, followed by the dining room. But right here, there's like this other secret little spot. Go down a couple of stairs. Oh my gosh, guys. It's like, sorry, let me catch my breath. It's like you could have it as an office, a craft space, another living room, a playroom if you have kids. I don't know if you're a cat lover and you have all those big like cat trees and stuff to climb up. It could be a cat room. It could be a dog room. It could be anything. It's just a bonus room, right? But check this out. Built-in drawers, guys. How freaking cool is that? And then this leads you. So I came in, again, the front door is back that way that I came. And then this leads you into an area where you go down for the basement or you go up, voila, to your kitchen, bathroom, and other living space. Sorry, I'm starting to freak myself out a little bit because I'm alone. It's a vacant house, but I walked through and like opened doors and stuff like that, so check this out. I'm like, oh, look, a pantry in the kitchen. How cool. Holy smokes, guys, this is huge. Huge space. Put some shelving in here and you've got a really great pantry. Plus you've got an area to like your vacuum. I don't know about you, but for me, I have a hard time finding spots to hide my vacuum. Perfect, right? So here's the kitchen. And this door takes you, I'm like all over the place. This place is like a maze. Takes you to the side where you have parking. So the cool thing is too, you can fit like 3 or 4 cars on or in the driveway, and then there's street parking too. Check this out. Found this out too. That's the basement. It's a walkout basement. The yard's great. I'll have to go back through and show you the yard. Okay, so I'm back in the kitchen. Really nice, newer cabinets. Look at that. It's the easy shut. Guys, easy shut. Beautiful countertops. Beautiful. Really deep farmhouse sink. I think it's still called a farmhouse, even though it's not ceramic. I'm not sure. Oh, look, and I was talking about the other place being a pantry. There's more room for a pantry. How stinking cool. So much space. Here's your downstairs half bath. Beautiful tiles. You could really add a lot to that. I'm really loving these light fixtures. Okay, so that one right there, but like check out that bathroom one. Yeah. And there was another one. Where is it? Oh, I'll have to show you at the front of the house. So anyway, I'm back around. So this is the living room. I'm sorry, the dining room. And then this is the living room. Listen, the pictures make it look like it's long and thin. It's not. It's actually a pretty decent square. I'm really impressed with this area. Beautiful archway doorways. Windows look newer. And I'm back at the front door. That is a light fixture. You can't see it in this, but I'll have to show you. It is so cool. So I'm going to take a little trip upstairs and you can come with me, okay? So this is my first time heading upstairs. So let's see what kind of surprises we can find together. So I just climbed the stairs. This is the look from there. And then there's a couple more stairs. And you go into this small room. Let's turn on the light here. Oh, wow. And there's a light. It's this huge kind of walk-in closet. Man, you can really do this up nice. Get storage solutions and stuff in here. Organize it out really good. Oh my gosh. So you have this huge, like you can even put a vanity in this room and the whole thing could just be your closet. Guys, can you see that? So that's the light. How cool is that? I love it. Okay, and then oh wow, whoa. I thought it was just 2 rooms, but look, you turn and it opens up. So you have 1 bedroom here. This is a really good size. Really good size bedroom. Closet. Bathroom. Oh, I'm loving this tile. Really, really cute. Guys, the space is so deceiving, right? Here's the bigger, it's the bigger room. So I would guess that it is the master or primary. My apologies. So that's 2. So if they would consider that bedroom a third. So it'd be 3 beds, bath and a half. Guys, I'm blown away. The house is older, but that's the beauty of Haddon Heights. It's so quaint, and you're in this really cute neighborhood, and there's all these different little accents and stuff in the house. This is so exciting to me. I love this house. I absolutely love this house. And I know a few of you out there would love it too. So make sure you come out on Saturday at 1 o'clock. We're at 1604 West High Street in Haddon Heights. Open house is 1 to 3 o'clock on Saturday. Come say hi. Come check it out. Listen, even if you just want to, be nosy, come check it out. I'll be here and I'll have some refreshments. And since we're so close to Halloween, I might even have a little candy for the kids. So there you go. Bring the whole family. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.